Welcome back to the Nick Mo Photos YouTube channel. We got our first sponsor. We're gonna get into it. So here it is. Oh, it's over here. I got this box from a company called BENLARI. And they reached out to me because they saw my photos on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I'd appreciate it if you do. And they've seen some of my pictures and they were like, hey, we would love for you to install some parts on the bike and also take some photos and let us know what you think. Let me open these things up. This is a straight up review of 2 items from BENLARI. They had me go through their catalog and pick 2 things. So I figured the Vicla needs some parts. So here are heel toe shifter arms in chrome. It's just nice that we got a sponsor to hook it up. And secondly, I got the BENLARI highway pegs to mount on the engine guard. Let's get into it. All right, so now we're at the workbench. Let's open these bad boys up. Nice heel toe shifter. Let's check them out. Oh man, these are nice. Nice little Allen bolt there to remove these, to replace them with whatever you want. I'm gonna replace these with the heel toe shifter pegs that I got on the Vicla right now that match my floorboards and brake pedal. Oh nice, so they bring you the front arm, rear arm. Nice. Oh, sweet. And the spacer. All right, so now we're gonna remove these old ones. Cover up your floorboard so you don't scratch them up. There we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna place this little bushing right here. A little difficult at first, just because I was skeptical on the quality and fitment, but these things look freaking sweet. Chrome is singing, son. Bring you in here for a closer look. Product.